Why anxious? Do not worry about what tomorrow has in store for you. Sufficient for the day are your hands well stocked with life. Tomorrow is too late. Live it today. Just for today, try to live through it without trying to tackle your whole life's problem. Just for today, adjust yourself to what is and do not try to adjust everything to your desire. Just for today, make your home a nice place to live in. Just for today, enjoy the beauty of home life, which embraces all joys, sorrows, where all the members can discuss the most intimate affairs of life. Just for today, look as well as you can. Be courteous. Be liberal with praise. Do not find fault with everything. And by good example and deeds, try to cheer up someone. Just for today, do somebody a good turn. Show that your feelings are not hard or you are not impatient. Just for today at work, show that you can rise above the petty temptations and irritations of day-to-day life. Just for today, throw in honesty, simplicity, and sincerity in all that you could do. Just for today, realize the most of your miseries are left over from yesterday and borrowed from tomorrow. Just for today, banish the future, live only for the hour, do what is clearly at hand, just for today.